Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and remove table borders in Google Docs. First, open Google Docs. I have already inserted this table and I want to remove the outer line of it. All we need to do is select all the cells in the table. You can also select just a few cells if you only want to remove the borders around those specific cells. But in this example, I'm going to select all the cells in the table. After that, go to the option that looks like a triangle and click on it. This will allow you to select the outer border of the table. Remember, we can't actually delete the borders. It's not possible. But we can make them disappear by changing their color to match the document background, which in this case is white. So go to the option that says border color, change the color to white and click anywhere outside the table, and there we go. The outer border is gone, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.